scary of the hills here. And today we are at a train museum before it opens to the public. Alright, place is now locked up. This was a very cool tour of the LaGrange Train Museum before it opens to the public, but now we head to our next destination. We are here at our next destination, which happens to be the Louisville Mega Cavern. Look at this. Very, very cool. Aw, dude, this is awesome.
Alright. Thank you.
We are doing a tram tour here in the Louisville Mega Caverns. To head out of the caverns. We shall walk through the back rooms, corridors to get out of the Mega Caverns. Tell me, does this look like the entrance to a nice little tourist attraction where you ride a tram through a cave? Well, the tram tour through the Mega Caverns was a very good time. Now it is time to pay respects to Colonel Sanders. Yes, this is his actual gravesite. And what better way to pay respects to this man than by eating KFC. Mr. Sanders, we, might have had a bucket of your fried chicken, but, we are actually not the ones who, left these sauce packets in front of your grave. I'm not sure who did that. So long, Mr. Sanders. Your chicken is still pretty great. So here's another grave site of note in this cemetery. A man by the name of Harry Leon Collins, who was known as the Frito-Lay Magician. Just one last grave of interest here in the area. This happens to be the grave site of Muhammad Ali. Right here happens to be the residency of one Papa John. So, we are now out of Louisville, here at our next destination, the Indiana Caverns. Look, they have a little kitty out front. Fortunately, I am too late in the day to do the tour, but the tour here is actually a boat tour in a underground cave. Pretty awesome concept. I'm bummed that I can't go on this. Look at this. This is kind of crazy. The saber-tooth crawl. Look at this. You go like into the mouth of this saber tooth. That little tiny area is where you go into. That looks kind of awesome, but also kind of sketch. I had to stop into the wonderful Buc-ee's knockoff Wally's on my way through St. Louis here. I know some people hate on this place, mostly because it does happen to be a Buc-ee's knockoff, but me personally, I am a huge fan. And I have gotten cheddar popcorn from here because let me tell you, Wally's knows how to make very, very, very good popcorn. Legitimately, they have their own popcorn farm out in Illinois. Well, we stopped into knockoff Buc-ee's back in St. Louis, but this trip will conclude with visiting actual Buc-ee's here in Springfield, Missouri.